stay still.
No, do you like?
Oh, right.
What happened? Who's that handsome looking fella? Oh, it's Dave. Hey, Mr. Sun. There's someone that's putting his tongue out at me, I don't know what it is.
I've got one. I've given one away already.
Jane! Yay! Cafe! Jane!
The one behind is the full name.
Hello!
Readers like to get it right. Rosevine Victoria Rose, a 4-year-old baby.
Smiling!
Had third in class at Royal Cornwall this year. Champion at Stydians, first in class, reserve champion. Qualified for the Rest of England Championships at Troon. Certainly a very, very nice horse. In a moment, once they've been round, and if you stand by, I'll just keep quiet while we get the young pony to go by. I think he's a bit nervous.
Shona. Hello. Hey, yes, Sean. Come on then. Come on. Shona. Leave her alone, she's coming. Leave her off the lead, love. Come on. Oh dear, never mind. Come on. Come on. Come on. Shona. Come here. Come here. Oh. Camera. Hello girls, alright?
Yes, in a second.
Have you all got your teeth in? That's the main thing.
Any children who'd like to win the
Whoop. You're drunk again, Jim. Ah! You alright? I got it all in, mate. It's alright.